Hey, it's Bryan with Abound Web Design with another Squarespace tutorial for you. There's a lot of things you can do with a Squarespace website with a little CSS on the back end. And this feature that we're going to be talking about today is one that you would think would take some CSS, but it's actually built right into Squarespace's native features. And that is the ability to be able to lightbox a contact form. This is probably one of the coolest native features that they have as far as like the functionality goes. I just think it's a really neat look, a cool look to be able to add to your website for a contact form. So let's jump into it. Okay, so here we are on my demo website, and you can see right away here in the hero section, the button, this call to action button here is a get in touch, and what it does is it goes over to the contact page. And here on the contact page, you have a form, a contact form, and it's kind of long, but it makes sense in this section because that's what this is, a contact page. And so it makes sense for there to be that contact form block there. Also on the home page of this, another way you could do a contact form would be in a section at the bottom of the home page. But if you wanted to have it right here, right away, for them to get in touch with you, it wouldn't make sense. Like, let's say that we got rid of this button and instead we put a block there, a contact form block, and we put it here in this section. So even with it no longer than it is right there, it is not going to look very good in the hero section there. For one thing, it doesn't even fit above the fold here. So what you can actually do, and it could be even worse if the form needed more information, like what you were wanting to get from them whenever they contacted you. So like if we went into edit form fields here and we added more fields like a website and a file upload and let's say an address. We can add one more for good measure here. Let's say a date. Okay. And then we go back and we exit and we look at this. I mean, it really looks silly now. All that information having to scroll here, being on the same section. So what you can actually do, again, like I said in the intro to this is all native right here in Squarespace. You go into edit on the form, you go into design on it, and you just turn it into a lightbox. Hit the toggle there, turn it into a lightbox, and you can see here that block is still the same size. So what we can actually do is grab the handle there and shrink the size of that block, and then click on the section and shorten the section back up again to where this all kind of fits. And then click on the block again and then change the design, the button alignment to the middle. And then, so it says open form right there. We don't want to say that. We want to say, like it said before, we want it to say get in touch. So we'll scroll down here, the button text, and we'll change that to get in touch. Okay. And then you'll see here, one other thing we could do if you wanted to make this to where the button was easier to see, you could go to design. You can actually change this to secondary or tertiary button styles. I'm going to leave it at this primary button though, simply because whenever you do hover over it with the flex animation that we have chosen right now, it actually, maybe that's not flex, but anyways, it highlights the button there. And so you can see that. And then also whenever you do click it, you see how this makes a whole lot more sense. You scroll, but it's in a lightbox, and it is a whole lot more visually appealing than if you were to have that form all here. And so that's all there is to it. If you found this useful, please hit like and subscribe. And if you'd like me to build your Squarespace website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.